Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to take you through the basics of credit cards. Whether you've just turned 18 or you're looking to understand how to use credit cards better, this guide is for you. So let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is a credit card? A credit card is a payment card issued by financial institutions that allows you to borrow funds up to a certain limit to pay for goods and services. You know, like a loan, but in card form. Now let's talk about how to choose the right credit card. There are tons of options out there, so how do you pick? Well, you want to look at the interest rates, annual fees, rewards programs, and any additional benefits. Some cards offer cash back on purchases, while others give you travel points or discounts on specific brands. One key term you'll hear a lot is the APR, or annual percentage rate. This is basically the interest rate you'll be charged if you don't pay off your balance in full each month. Higher APR means you'll pay more in interest, so watch out for that. Speaking of paying off your balance, this is super crucial. Always try to pay more than the minimum payment, if not the full balance. This helps you avoid interest charges and keeps your credit score healthy. Yeah, that's another thing, your credit score. Your credit score is a number that represents your credit worthiness. It's like a report card for how well you manage your debt. Pay your bills on time, don't max out your card, and keep your debt low, and you'll have a good score. Simple, right? But what if you're just starting out and don't have any credit history? No worries. You can start with a secured credit card. This type of card requires a cash deposit that serves as your credit limit. It's a great way to build credit without taking on too much risk. All right, let's talk about the perks and pitfalls. Credit cards can offer some amazing benefits, from cashback to travel rewards, but beware of the traps. It's easy to overspend and accumulate debt. Always keep track of your spending and set a budget. Another tip? Utilize credit card alerts. Most banks offer notifications that can alert you about due dates, spending limits, and any unusual activity. This can help you stay on top of your finances and avoid late fees. Oh, and one more thing, credit card fraud. Always keep an eye on your statements and report any suspicious activity immediately. Most credit card companies have zero liability policies, which means you won't be held responsible for unauthorized charges. But you gotta report it pronto. So there you have it. The basics of credit cards in a nutshell. Remember, credit cards are tools. Used wisely, they can help you build a strong financial future. But misuse them, and they can lead to a mountain of debt. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.